Pika Pika! Hi, friends! Today we're making my favorite smoothie, a strawberry banana milkshake. Ready? Let's charge up some flavor.
Here are our ingredients. 1 ripe banana, juicy strawberries, creamy yogurt, milk. Clean berries equal happy bellies. Hold that colander steady and rinse those strawberries real good. Pika clean. Hold the banana. Pull the peel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done! Cut below the green. Toss the top. Slice in 4. In the bowl. Bananas peeled. Slice evenly. All same size. Done! Banana in. Strawberry in. Time to blend. Spoon 1. Spoon 2. Creamy and smooth. Hold it tight. Pour it slow. Just enough milk. Little squeeze. Sweet and sticky. That's enough. 1 cube. 2 cubes. 3, 4. Cool and ready.
Lid on. Button press. Blend it up. Hold the blender.
Hold the blender. Pour it slow. Look at that!
Whipped cream, sprinkles, strawberry. Straw, umbrella. Looks perfect. So good. Try it too. See you next time.
Putakan